Now open up your browser, head to the code editor, select a project and start coding. Well, here are a few more reasons to try out online code editors. In this video I am gonna talk about some of the best online code editors out there. Initially I had a large list of code editors, but I have narrowed down the list to top 5 options. Playcode.io is one of the fastest and simplest playground with real-time result view and console. It is especially designed for front-end developers that works with different CSS and JavaScript frameworks. It supports JavaScript, TypeScript, React, Vue, and of course HTML, CSS and niche frameworks like Bootstrap. It has a simple text editor with dark mode automatically enabled. You can find your files and folders on the left panel, open files at the right, and below that you get a console and a live preview of your website. You can customize all of them as you want. It helps testing new things way easier and faster. Glitch is another great code editor for JavaScript developers. It allows you to use JavaScript in both front-end and back-end. It supports creating classic websites with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Supports Node and React. In advance, it also has a simple static site generator called 11t. You can find a simple UI with a built-in terminal, an editor, files panel and live preview. It allows embedding your project, real-time collaboration with other members, connecting your website to custom domain and lots more. StackBlitz claims to be the fastest, most secure dev environment on the planet, and actually it is quite fast. It allows you to create, edit and deploy full-stack applications. It supports most of the front-end frameworks and libraries. You can use bare-bones starters and use Node.js as your backend. It has a similar UI like VS Code. You can connect with GitHub and even deploy your project on Firebase. Managing your dependencies is also quite easy with StackBlitz, and you can customize the editor according to your need. The only big concern with StackBlitz free account is that you can't upload your binary files. Code Sandbox is like StackBlitz but supports more frameworks and libraries than StackBlitz. It allows uploading binary files in their free account, provides official templates for more than 25 frameworks. You can embed your project, invite other members for collaborations, and it gives you more control over your text editor. Instead of using Firebase, you can use Vercel or Netlify to deploy your project. You can share your website to your friends and colleagues while editing. It has one of the best auto suggestion and auto completion features with keyboard shortcuts that you can edit anytime. Gitpod is a VS Code on the web. The UI is the same, the features are the same. You have access to the VS Code extensions. Terminal is there to help you, and you can find different shortcuts too. You can install the Gitpod extension in your browser, go to the GitHub, pick any repository and you will find a button there, just click that. Within seconds, Gitpod provides you with a fully working development environment including a VS Code Power IDE and a cloud-based Linux container configured especially for the project at hand. Here is a quick comparison among the code editors I mentioned in this video and 2 others. If you want minimal code editor, then these can be your best choices. Well, these were some of the overqualified code editors to include in this video, and if you have money to pay, then you can check these IDEs out. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.